here they are. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, but you can call me Libby, and on this channel I talk all things brands, beauty and personal development. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscription button. And if you like this video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and hit that notification bell so you stay up to date on when I post videos. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be reviewing Point of View, which is a new skincare line by Michaela Nogueira. So by now, I'm sure that everybody has heard of POV. And just to give a little disclaimer, no, I was not paid to do this review. I really felt like this was a product that I wanted to be able to try and share with you guys. So without further ado, let's open this up. Considering the fact that so many people ordered on her website, I mean, the thing was sold out. The whole website got cleared out and I was able to get my package within 5 to 6 days. That's a good look. Here it is. Ooh. Okay, we love that. First of all, if you know me, you know that I love the color black, okay? So the fact that she went with something that was so classic and clean, like just aesthetically pleasing, black and white, you can't go wrong with that. And here they are. Like I said, I got all of them, so I'm really excited to try them. So within my package, I have got Whip It, Drench It, Glaze It, Drip It, and Amp It. All 5 of these products are dermatology tested. They were made in Korea. They're suitable for sensitive skin, which is perfect because my skin is sensitive, and it's also a combination, so I am intrigued to see how these are going to work on my skin. And they're all vegan and cruelty free, which for me is very important. So I'm going to go ahead and open up each of the products in order of use, as well as sharing each product's benefits. The first product that you're going to use is Drench It. This product is a smoothing prime milk. The description on this product says it's a nourishing priming essence that drenches skin with cooling hydration and helps smooth, plump, brighten and tone. This hyper-hybrid formula improves the overall quality of your makeup while addressing skin needs from all angles. I went ahead and tested this product out on my hands. As you can see with the consistency, it's light and it's milk-like. Now that my hands are actually dry, there's no sticky feeling and they feel very hydrated. Product number 2 is Drip It, and this is a nourishing glow serum. The description for this product says that it is a high-performing makeup prep serum that adds much-needed moisture and a natural glow under makeup to help improve texture and smoothness. Skin looks healthier, brighter, and more glowing. Makeup looks seamless and radiant. So far, this one is my favorite. I love the texture that it left on my hands. It feels very conditioning. Product number 3 is Whip It. This product is a hydrating whipped cream, and the description said it is an intensely hydrating, skin-hugging whipped moisturizer that helps strengthen and protect the skin's barrier for an overall healthier looking skin. This non-pilling, rich yet lightweight texture absorbs instantly for a smoother, better makeup application, keeping your makeup looking flawless. Also, there's been no residue. You know, sometimes when you mix products together, there's like a slight texture that comes off of it. I've not noticed that at all, so that's a plus. Product number 4 is Glaze It. This is classified as a glazy tack primer, and in the description it says it's an adhering tack primer that provides a glazy, refined texture and finish for the ultimate makeup insurance. I love the fact that it's got a lock and unlock feature, and it's a very cooling product. I really enjoy that. I can definitely understand the tacky feeling, and for a primer that is perfect because it means that my makeup is actually going to stay in place. And the final product is Amp It. This is a amplifying lip ampoule, and in the description it says that this product is a moisturizing lip ampoule that provides restorative moisture and glow to lips. And as you can tell from the application, it is very smooth, it's glossy, it's not sticky. It also smells amazing. It's very fruity and light. So these are all of the products that I got from Point of View. When it comes to each of the products, they really do have wonderful features. I love the fact that some of the products have locks. Whip It even came with an applicator. There was no residue or stickiness. And even with Glaze It, it is a tacky primer, but it feels nourishing. But I must say, out of all of these products, I think It is my favorite. I'm gonna come back and share some before and after pictures, as well as a true review on how these products really do work on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link for point of view down below. And if you aren't following me on social media, you can find me at TheLibbyXO, and this is for all of my social media links. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscription button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it today. But stay tuned for part 2. Bye.